How to fix eBay login error. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix eBay login error. If you are facing login errors on eBay, then here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, ensure that you are connected to stable internet connection on your device. Also, make sure to enter the correct credentials in order to log into your account. If that's not the case, then you will need to clear the cache and cookies of your browser. This can help you to remove corrupted files that causes login issues. To do so, simply click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your browser and then from here select delete browsing data. After that, you will be taken to this page. Now here, in this pop-up, make sure to select the cookies and cache option. Once you have selected this checkbox at the left side of these options, now simply click on this delete data button right here. After that, return back to the previous tab and now use your credentials to log into your account. If the issue still persists, then you may try using a different browser or another device to log into your account. And if logging in via browser fails, you may also try using the eBay mobile app as an alternative. Even after following these steps, if none of them works, then it might be a temporary issue on eBay's end. You will need to simply wait and try it later. You will need to simply wait for some time and then try again later. So these steps should help you resolve some common issues related to login on eBay. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.